the jungle. So today we're going to be weed whacking. Just go on up to a spot where it is so thick that it's a miserable ride. Ooh.
What a great flower fuck.
Yeah,
So hard.
it's thick, huh?
Where's that mustard?
Kill all mustard.
It's not so bad right here, but like.
Yeah, because I cleared it last month.
Yeah, good job.
Thank you. It's better than this. On curves, you'll want to keep the top of the berm clear, but it's also really actually more important to keep the inside clear because you're leaning in, and this stuff just gets in the way of your visibility and your body and bike. You know, midpoint, and I'll work my way up and back, down, and then back. Keep my pack in the shade, keeps my water cool, keeps my snacks cool. It's important you cover up and stay hydrated. Wear a hat, protect your eyes, wear gloves, be on the lookout for rattlesnakes, scorpions. Scorpions mostly I've seen here like underground, but you never know. They could be out there crawling around, even if you find yourself working in the evening or the early morning or at night. This tool works good by like swing and pull. Using the serrated edge, that pole just saws through, makes a clean cut rather than swinging at it like this is a samurai sword, because it's not a samurai sword. Anyway, time to get busy. And head off into the jungle. When it's this thick and tight in between, I'll just do a quick, first layer cut on both sides, and that'll widen things out. Alright, happy trails. Clear from here. Well, I cleared a good distance today, and little by little gets the job done, and you just got to keep on trucking, just get through it when you can. But right now I'm toast, dude. I've been out in the sun, even though it's not very hot. I'm just fried, man. Time to go drink some beer and eat some lunch. So check it out, and I'll be back. There's just nowhere else to put it. Got to just lay it down on the trail and let it dry out, and let all the other riders coming through just trample it down, and it'll just turn it back into fiber and actually probably help the trail out a little too. I think what you got to do when you have terrain like this is just switch to knobbier tires so they can find their way through this greenery and down to the hardtack below. But it's a lot better than this. GoPro, stop recording.